Cooking equipment works better and lasts longer when maintained properly. Follow these tips to help keep your Imperial equipment performing at its peak and with less downtime. Daily maintenance. Remove and thoroughly wash the fry baskets, crumb screens, and other loose parts. Wipe clean all accessible exterior and interior surfaces and parts. Filter the liquid at the end of the day and replace if necessary. If fryer is under heavy use, filter more often during the day. Weekly maintenance. Shut down the fryer by turning off the gas cock dial and power supply. Drain the fryer in a filter pan or steel container. Flush out sediments at the bottom of the vessel with liquid oil. Close the drain valve and fill the vessel with a mixture of boil-out solution and water. Relight the pilot and turn on the burners. When the solution starts to boil, turn the gascock dial on the combination valve to off and the thermostat, and let the vessel soak for approximately 1 hour to soften deposits and/or carbon spots. Drain off solution. Scrub the insides with brush and rinse thoroughly. Wipe dry with soft towels and refill with clean oil or shortening. All stainless steel body parts should be wiped regularly with hot soapy water during the day and with a liquid cleaner designed for this material at the end of each day. If it is necessary to scrape stainless steel to remove encrusted materials, soak in hot water to loosen the material, then use a wood or nylon scraper. Do not use a metal knife, spatula, or any other metal tool to scrape stainless steel. Scratches are almost impossible to remove. Do not use steel wool, abrasive cloths, cleansers, or powders to clean stainless surface.